They can't help themselves, and they want a piece of it as well. Welcome along to this unboxing of the HANCHU 3.68 kilowatt inverter, hybrid inverter, which I did a short video earlier in the week. Do subscribe to the channel for more. I just want to go through everything that comes with this package. What is inside the box that comes? It's a heavy inverter. They also, HANCHU also, their products work with Lux Power, and this is what's in the package. I'll go through the list. This is the mounting bracket where you put it there, and the HANCHU will hang there. So it's quite a good machine. And this is a 3.68 one, which is that one there, hybrid inverter, because I went hybrid because I also want to future-proof it for the future, for the battery installation when I get to have the batteries. So what comes in this package? The inverter itself, the wall bracket, which is that one, documentation which I'm holding, DC connectors, screw accessories, the smart meter. It comes with a smart meter as well. There it is. So you've got your battery terminals there. Battery terminals there. There's your switch on there. Your PV1 and the PV2. It's got two PVs. BMS, and the smart meter goes in there. D-thread, and it also has an option for a backup, so we can use that. And the grid. It's a heavy machine. Really nice looking, and excited about this. So just to go through the reason why I went with the HANCHU. Right, what I'm going to have a small PV system. So for you to have a small PV system, you need an inverter that can start up the voltage. This inverter can start up with, the minimum is 40 volts and the maximum I think is 550. I'll have a look for you. But the minimum startup for the inverter itself is 40, because I've got a small number of panels. I've got 4 panels that are going on there. Therefore, I decided on this one. There is a few inverters that allow a lower voltage as a startup. This one, there is also a SunGrow. I'm talking about hybrid here. Also a SunGrow, which also has a 40 volts. But the difference between this one and the SunGrow, the money itself is the same, what I paid for these two. The difference is that the SunGrow only takes high voltage batteries, and this one takes low voltage batteries. So I wanted the low voltage battery. I went with this one because I couldn't find high voltage batteries that went with the SunGrow. If I did, they were BYD and they were expensive. But for the HANCHU, they have their own batteries as well, their own set of batteries. It's one system that goes with its own stuff. It doesn't go with any other battery or anything like that. So I'll have to buy, later on, I'll have to buy HANCHU batteries. They offer a 3.12 kilowatt hour battery, and the new one is a 3.68. They also have a 5.12 and a 9.4 kilowatt hour battery. So you can join them together in parallel. So this is the reason why I went with this one. I am excited because of that, and because I've got only 4 solar panels going up. That's why I went with this one. The 4 panels that I went with high voltage as well. So be mindful when you're looking for solar panels. Look at the voltage. Also, that voltage that you see advertised, it's in good condition when the sun, and it's laboratory conditions. You need to look at, when normal conditions, what the voltage that is going to. I'm excited about that because I'm hoping the models that we've done are all saying it will start up and all is good. So I went with, as I was saying, I went with 600 watt panels. and I'm only getting 4 panels. So if it can start this one, happy days. Then we can have a look at investing in batteries later on during the year. The solar panels, we're going towards summer now, so the solar panels should be able to run the summer and, you know, run the house and all that. So yeah, that's the HANCHU heavy inverter. And yeah, I'm excited. This is the unboxing of the HANCHU. So exciting times. See you. I'll go through the solar panels when we open them up. I'll go through them before they put them up. As you can see, the scaffolding is on. So straight away we are going next week, you know, putting them up, and all should be done by the rest of next week. So when you see this video, the panels would have been installed and I will be able to share with you. So do subscribe to the channel, do watch more videos. I do more videos on solar. I'll be doing more videos on this solar panel installation. I've got more videos on the heat pump and more videos on electric cars. I've just done one where an electric car where I've done some accessories for it. Do have a look at that. Now, how do you get this back? Right. I still need this one on top, just to make sure that, you know, we know it's new. Yay! Right. Oh! It's heavy, man. This thing is heavy. There's a side as well that I need. If you don't put it the right side. There we go. That's the side that it goes. It's a heavy thing. Really, really heavy. So looking forward to it going on. So just to show you the packaging. Like that. There. That's how it comes.